Hello, in this video I'm going to discuss about Node.js. What is Node.js and what we can do with Node.js. So let's get into it. So what is Node.js? It helps building application uh, which is very much efficient to network requests. It helps building scalable application which performs well in the network, and we can write JavaScript code to build those type of applications, and those JavaScript code will be converted using Google V8 engine. And what does that scalable application means? That or scalable network application to be specific. What does that mean? That means that before a Node.js, all the servers were uh, acting like they. It was very tough to handle concurrent requests, but the procedure Node.js mention Node.js operates on uh, is a type of systematic way where asynchronously each request would be handled. So there are no lock for each request, or there are no lock for the other request when the one request is being processed. So this helps the entire server flexibilities. This gives a flexibility to the server to each request, and it also asynchronously handle IO, no direct IO handling there, and also it's a event driven architecture. So it helps mainly to serve the each request asynchronously and without blocking any other requests. If we look for the history of Node.js, there are few events, like very important events, like Ryan Dahl built the Node.js, introduced it to the JSConf in 2009, and after that it's history, right? So Node.js is very popular now, and the reason behind this, the mechanism, the procedure, the paradigm Node.js created was previously was like can't imagine kind of thing. So this npm, the package manager, consists the all kind of requirements could be possible to build a web application, build server side web application, to build well organized web applications, or maybe the managed service in the front end also. It helps that every kind of package could be imagined is there in the Node package manager, and it's a vast collection of packages in the Node.js community. It is created in 2010, and in December 2014 the io.js was created. I mean, io.js was the subset or fork version of Node.js, and it was like JavaScript V8 engine. The latest version of JavaScript V8 engine will be considered in the io.js. Something like that concept occurred, and they created io.js. And later, in the joint, like the company manages Node.js, joined decided that yeah, Node.js and io.js will be merged together. So in 2015, the June of 2015, it was merged together and created a new version like Node v4. And after that, there are no io.js, only Node.js, and it is continuing like that. So if we go to the web and try to find Node.js, it was like it is the npm I was talking about. There are plenty of packages. Currently 4 lakh building blocks uh, are provided through Node.js package manager. So if we go to the Node.js official website, we can find that there are two different versions of Node.js to be downloaded. So thing is that we need to know what those two different versions actually means. Like LTS, long-term support, and current means current version, current features, latest features, it as it is mentioned. So what does those two means? That LTS is having all the features stable there. Like if it is not stable, then it would want be going to the LTS version. If it is stable, if it is long term supportable, it will be in the LTS version. So the 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 recommendations would be like as it is recommended for most of the users. Most of the users means uh, who are wanting to uh, deploy their app in the server. Basic difference would be if you want stable and long-term maintainable platform, then you will go for LTS. And if you need some latest feature, some latest tweak and important futuristics feature of the Node.js, then you can go with current version. So what we can do with Node.js? So, using Node.js, we can create applications. We can build applications. That's the basic thing. But what type of application? As we have mentioned earlier, that network applications are the type of applications which is very much recommended for Node.js. But at the same time, what type of network application? Like which is the type of application which interacts with users in real time or very shortened time. It needs the feed to the application, something like a real time scoring and real time request handling or chat server or something like which gives feeds to the user very immediate, something like that. In that case, as Node.js handle the request asynchronously, it will help to build those kind of applications and to serve those kind of requests with scalable ability. So also we can use Node.js to manage the front end, like the front end applications, like uh, all the package management and all the applications dependencies for maybe AngularJS, for React.js, for any kind of JS applications or any kind of front end application. We can handle, we can manage all the required dependencies through Node.js, and it will like download the entire requirements through package manager, something like that. So it will help to manage the front end application also. So mainly Node.js will help to create application, network application which serves the request very in real time, something like that. And also it will help to create the real time web server, or maybe very minimalistic web server in very short time. I mean, if you need to create an application or test on application and create a one web server, you can create node using Node.js very easily and in very small time. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and please do subscribe this channel. And I'll be creating more similar videos, and also I'll be continuing Node.js platform related videos on this channel. So thank you guys. Bye.